It is the time to give, and that's exactly what Senator Ben Wessel, along with Kiwanians Club of El Centro and other governmental agencies did. Free car seats to the Imperial Valley families, while also educating them in how to properly inspect and secure their children's car seats.
Yeah, we have a child safety seat clinic happening right now where we're teaching people on how to properly install a child seat into their car, and they're getting a free seat in the process so that we can ensure that motorists don't have an excuse for not putting a kid in a child seat.
And this is an opportunity for families to learn more about public safety and also get a free car seat. So Kiwanis did an excellent job in sponsoring this event. California Highway Patrol as well. We have a line of cars that's outside of the parking lot, so it's a huge event, huge success, and I'm just glad that our community is able to sponsor such an event and promote child safety.
This is one of those projects that hard not to get behind. It's all about safety of our children, making sure that the kids are safe, the parents are educated in the car seat knowledge so that the kids are safe.
Well, the most important thing for the California Highway Patrol is safety, service, and security. And car seats is a really big, important issue for us. This is not an enforcement-driven program. This is for education, for safety.
Our Kiwanis Club donated $500, and then some of the members of the Kiwanis Club also contributed car seats. And we have a total of 27 that we're contributing here today.
¿Están contentos?
Sí.
¿Por qué?
Porque